Hi guys! Kumusta ang lahat? Welcome back to my channel. To this video guys, super busy ang lola nyo. Alam nyo, guess what? My video is very interesting. Because you know what guys? Whole day akong gumawa ng orders. Tapos, niwala man lang isa sa ginawa kong orders na video ko. So, huli ko nang na-realize, Diyos ko Lord, it's very surprising, my video. Okay? Samahan niyo ko. Tara! So guys, look at the kalat of today's video guys. Oh my God, I'm so tired. All the kalat is left. Yan na lang yung natitira. Yung niluto ko, yung ginawa kong pagkain, hindi ko na video. Ang na-video ko is yung kalat. Look at the kalat guys. Oh my God. Yan yung mga kalat ko. Oh no. Oh, this is very, oh my God. I'm so, pagod in the house. Diba? Sige. Kasi dami kong kalat. So, I'm trying to sit down first kasi sobrang pagod ang lola nyo guys. So, ayan. Try ko mag-chill. Oh no, I'm going to chill kasi katatapos lang. It's very hectic schedule today guys. Ito na lang ang natitira para yung mga kalat na lang ang natitira. So, ito kasi guys, so, binalatan ko yung pistachio kasi para sa salad. Yung ginawa kong broccoli salad. Ayan, meron akong video guys ng broccoli salad. You can try it because it's very healthy, it's very yummy and delicious. So ito kasi yung pistachio guys, look at that. May balat siya. So ayaw ng boss ko na may balat siya na ilagay sa salad. So ganito talaga yung walang balat. So alam nyo guys, ilang hours kung binalat ito bago ako makagawa ng pang salad. So ayan, ito na lang yung natira kasi tapos na yung salad, naka-go na ang ating order. So sayang lang kasi hindi ko na video yung mga salads na pinanggagawa ko. Well anyway, 3 kinds of salads lang naman guys. Bombay salad and of course my very own broccoli salad and my newest discover salad which is Novo salad, but it's very yummy. Next time I'm gonna do how did I make my Novo salad. It's very yummy guys. So that's all for tonight. For this video, nag-chill-chill lang ang lola nyo kay nag-antay ang mga kalat. Oh. So, I hope guys, walang discrimination sa aking video today. Pero it's okay kasi kung kailan ko maisipang umupo muna for a while kasi nga sa dami ng ating mga kalat na nag-aantay na ligpitin, tapos I have to prepare pa the dinner. So, I'm so tired. So, yun. Umupo muna ang lola nyo, guys. Ayan. Naisipan ko nga mag-video. So, ang dami pang kalat. Well, anyway, that kalat is very easy to clean. Pag sama-samahin ko yan, guys, itapon ko yan lahat. So, para tapos na. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And this is Rhea Mix Corner. Once again, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please do like and subscribe, guys. And don't forget to share. Because, you know, marami ka. Baka one of my video, may matutunan ka rin sa aking video. But, of course, my channel is a mixed channels. It's a lot of things happening in that channel. And I have my live stream every Friday, 10 p.m. Philippine time. And, of course, Saturday, 10 p.m. Philippine time. That is a regular live stream walwalan. So, ayan ang Rhea Mix Corner ninyo, ang inyong feeling-erang singer. So, yan yung abangan ninyo. Kung gusto nyo makijam, makikanta, ayan, you are very all welcome guys sa aking live stream every Friday evening, 10 p.m. Philippine time and Saturday, 10 p.m. Philippine time. Lahat po yan every Friday and Saturday kasi sobrang busy ang lola nyo ngayon. So, the other days or the other times, I have to support all our friends. So, they have their own life, so I have to go and support also for them. They support my channel. So thank you so much, everyone. This is Rhea Mix Corner once again, ang inyong feeling hirang singer. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Rhea Mix Corner, and don't forget to bell all. Bye. Always remember, God is good, so always wear a smile on your face.